Morning guys, magbibihis kami para pupunta kami ng Vancouver. Kain muna. For my ate's birthday. Right, ate?
Bear. Bear.
Are you excited to the plate? Yeah?
No, press that one.
Kape muna kay paring Roland. Yeah. Yeah.
Yung sweater.
Ito na lang din. Okay. They're ready. Austin, are you ready to go to the airport? Yeah? Good morning guys. Nandito na kami sa airport. Austin, Skelly, where are you? Austin! Oh, there. They're very excited. Yeah. Nauna na si paring Roland at paring Maring Maria. Skelly! Happy birthday, girl.
Yeah. Hello.
Tulog guys, tulog. Puyat, pagod. Naglakad kami ng malayo guys. Nandito na kami sa Calgary Airport, connecting to Vancouver na. One more plane.
Gusto ko yung paano.
Ate Chloe, are you excited to ride that one? Yeah, hey. Okay. Right. Hawakan mo siya.
Kasama pa kami sa picture.
Ate Chloe.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Look, oh, daddy, yun nakuha naman daw.
Makita na nga na. Oh, kababae mo pala pare ko eh.
Cisco Manolo. Pesta Haguna, 15-16. Nandun din ako sa pesta. Kita pa tayo na.
Ate Chloe.
Hanapin natin yung hi ate, birthday girl. Tomorrow, okay?
Taas mo ang bula sa amin.
Austin. Ayun natin dalawa. Pigeon. Guys, hello guys.
6,
Say ate ko.
4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! And then we all flying down.
Hi ate Chloe. You have it. Guys, nandito na kami sa Vancouver. Paring Roland. Sige.
You come through.
What are you doing, Skelly? Skelly.
I want a cut.
You want coins?
Give me a coin.
Where's your bag? Your small bag. Vancouver, guys.
I forgot.
What do you wish? Wish first.
What did you wish?
What did you wish?
They're from the airport. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Vancouver. Austin. They're Austin.
Ay, ang lamig pa, man.
Magti-train tayo guys, magti-train. Yeah, magti-train tayo. Okay.
Sit daw kayo ni Paring.
Nandito kami sa train guys. Nakasakay. Pupunta na kami ng hotel. Right, Austin?
Next stop sign, turn right.
Sorry, no. Not yet.
The route.
Oh, lang.
Proceed to the route.
Dinosaur question natin.
In 250 meters, turn right onto River Road.
Look, there's a dinosaur.
Papa, remember you went to Charles' birthday in a dinosaur birthday? So you like that?
Yung Hispanic ko ay ganun din.
Sabi siya, hindi poste.
Oo. Wow!
Picture ka tayo.
Pagkatapos kumain guys, maglakad-lakad muna sa downtown ng Vancouver. Yan guys. Oo nga dyan oh, tingnan mo. Kaso may maano Marikoy.
Doon tayo. Oo. Dito kami naglalakad, no? Sa Vancouver.
Hey guys, nandito kami sa Canada Place ngayon. Look, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung mga ano. Nakikita ba? Mga dagat. Yep. Magbubot kami later. Yan guys. Tapos dito naman yung background. Guys, nandito kami sa Vancouver. Yan, yung ilog. Yan. Yan. Yung mga building guys. Yan yung mga building.
Ayun, look at the smell.
Come here na.
Ganda dito.
Let's go, let's go.
I don't want to smell bad. Hurry up. I don't want to smell bad.
No, it's not.
Marami nagbubus guys. So paano daw? Guys, dyan. Naglalakad na sila guys.
Oh, it's snow baby.
Saan? Akin na. Wait lang. Yan guys. Wait lang, wait lang. Yan guys. May barko dyan.
Look, oh, there's boating.
Kumakain na sila.
Kami naman. You wanna join? Okay.
Yan guys, ang ano ng barko. Picture taking muna yung mga marites.
Huwag ka na sasali. Tama na. Kami naman yung isa.
Give to Ate Skelly. Guys, sulit ang pagpunta dito sa Vancouver downtown nila. 100% worth it. Yeah. Kita yung background? That's it. Yun. Malapit-lapit na yung mga guys. Saan? Pag nahulog. Ganyan lang guys. Yan po yung Port of Vancouver. Yeah. What happened? Skelly daw, Skelly.
Oo, Victoria. Victoria. Alam ko, doon yung pinakamagaling.
Hi, ate. Hi, ate. You like your birthday gift?
Yes.
Come here, eh. What do you say to mommy and daddy?
Thank you, mommy and daddy.
That's your birthday gift, right?
Yes.
Boop, boop. Let's go. Kayo muna, pre.
Austin, don't go inside. Austin, don't go inside. Baka pumunta sa hospital.
Austin!
Don't go inside.
Ate, di not allowed. Ate, no. So guys, ito yung magiging hotel namin, guys. Papasok kami sa hotel. Yeah. Yan guys, ang hotel namin. Si paring Roland. Yan yung mga... Yan, Century Plaza. Yan yung hotel namin. Try natin pasukin yung hotel natin. Yan yung hotel namin. Mother, itur mo naman kami sa hotel mo. Yan, ito. Yan. Yan, hi Ate Chloe. You like it? You're tired? Hello? Ito nga parang Roland. Yan. Oh my goodness. Guys, pupunta kami sa 20th floor. Diba? Ang taas. Ready na sila. 20th floor. Ang inumin ni paring Roland mamaya. Daming bote.
Ayun, ay, kwanto eh. Basement yata.
Hindi, aakyat yan. Ang buyap na. Sige. Usad ka doon. Wow, ang taas.
30th floor.
Ay,
Ay.
20.
Yan yung operator namin mag-asawa.
Tingnan mo yung indoor pool nila. Oh, ayaw, excited to swim. See? 8.
Yung ano room. Ha?
Sa'yo, Mariko, ito tayo. Unahan. Oo, 9.
Sige, magbihis na kayo pag swimming pare ko eh. Yan. Yan yung kwarto namin. 2009.
Kasi you're close.
Hindi mabuksan ni Mother. Tingnan natin guys. Yan yung hotel natin guys. Wow! Wow! This, what is one natin? Yeah. Look, yeah.
Taas natin na! Ay! Diyan lang tayo nakita natin kanina, oh.
Yan yung...
Ang taas! We're on the 20th floor.
Wow!
Ay, ang mas mataas yan, da.
Yan ang taas guys, oh. Wow! Ginagawa pa ta?
Tayo 30 floor. Ilan yan? Mga 50 floor.
Yan guys.
Ano, grabe ang taas niyan. Look na, Tati Chloe, look up.
It's so high. Is it on the phone?
Oh my. Oh guys, it's...
Tablet?
Hold on natin, we will find it.
Yeah.
Turn on the TV. Skelly like dancing, Skelly like dancing.
the remote?
They're not there.
Well.
Ito yung ano ni paring Richard. Hindi, doon na sa ano.
Eh, napasala ako kasi tinanong ko siya.
Oo.
Ay, ganyan sa kapon din eh.
Ngayon swimming guys.
Ito ang mga tao.
Mga tao. Yan, swimming pool. Malalim. Yan, mag-ano na tayo guys. Magsi-swimming. Oh, just wait mo si ano. Are you okay, Ate Chloe? Are you sure? Yeah, mag-swimming guys, swimming. Ate, hold ka muna. Ninong ano. Hindi pala ano na pang. Hi guys. Mag-alas 8 na dito sa Vancouver at malamig at mahangin. Mahangin. Bibili kami ng pang-breakfast guys. Bibili kami ng pang-breakfast. Guys, malamig dito sa Vancouver ngayon. Kailangan ng dobleng jacket. Kinuha ko sana yung ano ko. Yan yung guys, yung hotel namin. Yan guys, yung hotel namin hanggang 20.
Hindi, mali. Dito tayo.
Oh. Guys, yan yung Vancouver. Downtown.
Ayun. Halika na da.
Nakabili na kami ng pang-almusal at pang-supper guys. Si Madam. Nandun si Madam. Naglalakad lang kami sa downtown sa Vancouver. Ito yung mga ilaw guys. Mga building. Yan. Yan na pakalabing building. Oh yan. Wait lang ha. Video pa rin po sila. Austin!
Dali, maipit.